Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Shabby chic style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Shabby chic style home decorating is a cozy, romantic decorating style that combines vintage charm, soft colors, and gently worn furniture to create a warm and inviting home. It celebrates the beauty of aged and imperfect pieces while maintaining an elegant and comfortable atmosphere. Here are some Shabby chic decorating tips to make your home look even more charming, cozy, and beautifully vintage. Layer everything softly. Don't keep things too perfect. Shabby chic looks best when layers feel relaxed. Layered lace curtains over light cotton drapes. Stack cushions in different floral and pastel fabrics. Mix knitted, linen, and ruffled textures on sofas and beds. Use imperfect furniture on purpose. The charm comes from its beauty. Choose chipped paint, worn wood, and slightly faded finishes. Don't fully restore vintage furniture. Keep its character. Mix one elegant piece with one rustic piece for balance. Add floral touches. Florals are a signature of this style. Use rose or peony prints on pillows and bedding. Place dried flowers in glass bottles or ceramic pitchers. Hang small floral wreaths on walls or doors. Focus on soft lighting. Lighting changes everything in Shabby chic decor. Use warm white bulbs only. Add candles in vintage holders or lanterns. Choose crystal or antique style candelabras for a dreamy glow. Decorate with everyday vintage items. Turn simple objects into decor. Old books stacked on tables. Open baskets for storage. Teapots, glass jars, and porcelain cups as display pieces. Mix white with warm neutrals. White is the base, but don't make it too plain. Combine white with beige, cream, soft grey, or faded pink. Add wooden tones for warmth. Avoid harsh modern colors like neon or deep black accents. Add handmade details. Handmade touches make Shabby chic feel truly special. Crochet pillow covers or table runners, embroidered cushions, hand-painted flower pots or furniture details. Keep it light and airy. Avoid overcrowding your space. Leave empty space on shelves and tables. Use light fabrics instead of heavy ones. Let natural light stay the focus. Focus on soft imperfection balance. Shabby chic is not about looking old everywhere. It's about balance. Pair one worn item with one clean, fresh item. Example, a distressed table plus a crisp white tablecloth. This keeps the space charming, not messy. Let window feel bare but beautiful. Avoid heavy modern coverings. Use shade curtains, lace panels, or light cotton strips. Allow sunlight to soften the whole room. Slightly uneven curtain folds add natural charm. Layer mirrors for light and depth. Mirrors are a secret weapon. Use ornate, slightly edged frames. Place mirrors opposite windows to reflect light. Mix different shapes, oval, round, or rectangular. Add soft corners everywhere. Avoid sharp, harsh looks. Use rounded furniture aids when possible. Add cushions to hard chairs. Drape fabric slightly over table aids. Mix high-end with cheap finds. Shabby works best with contrast. A beautiful vintage mirror with a simple budget table. Elegant candlelight above rustic furniture. This mix creates authentic charm. Keep decor collected over time. Don't buy everything at once. Add pieces slowly, like a story growing. Each item should feel meaningful or found. This is what makes the space feel real, not staged. Always add a comfort element. Every room should invite relaxation. A soft throw blanket on every sofa. A reading corner with cushions. A small tray with tea-style decor. Mix faded elegance with rustic touches. Shabby becomes more interesting when it's not purely soft. Combine delicate floral fabrics with rough wood or wicker. Example: lace table runner on a rough wooden table. This contrast creates depth and character. Use whisper colors instead of bright pastels. Go for colors that look naturally edged. Dusty rose instead of bright pink. Muted shades instead of bright green. Cream instead of pure white. These tones feel more timeless and calm. Create candle clusters everywhere. Soft lighting is key to romance. Group candles in threes or fives. Use clusters, wind shoulders, or brass trays. Mix tall and short candles for a natural look. Use reflective accents strategically. Shabby loves soft sparkle, not shine. Antique style mirrors with on edges. Glass bottles catching natural light. Crystal knobs on furniture or cabinets. Style everyday corners. Even small spaces should feel decorative. Kitchen counter with a tray of jars and flowers. Bedroom corner with a chair, blanket, and book stack. Bathroom with lace towel and vintage soap dish. Bring nature indoors softly. Natural elements complete the look. fresh garden flowers in simple jars, dried lavender bundles, small potted herbs like mint or rosemary. Use vintage-inspired storage as decor. Storage should also be beautiful. Oven baskets for blankets, old wooden crates for display, glass jars for kitchen items. Keep a sense of story in every room. Each corner should feel like it has history. A mirror that looks inherited. A chair that feels collected from a cottage. A shelf filled with meaningful objects. Build a faded layers look over time. Shabby chic is the strongest when it doesn't look new. Let furniture, fabrics and decor age naturally. Add new pieces slowly so everything feels collected. Avoid buying full matching sets. Use soft shine instead of gloss. Too much shine looks modern and breaks the style. Choose matte, chalky or brushed finishes. Antique brush, etched silver or weathered wood works best. Avoid plastic or high-gloss surfaces. Style with functional beauty. Every item should be useful and decorative. Pretty baskets for storage. Decorative trays for organizing small items. Vintage boxes for everyday clutter. Create a signature floral mood. Florals should feel natural, not overwhelming. Stick to one or two floral patterns per room. Mix with solid soft fabrics to balance it. Combine fresh flowers with dried ones for depth. Add warm shadows, not just light. Shabby chic is about atmosphere. Use lamps with fabric or lace shadows. Place candles in corners for soft glow. Avoid harsh overhead lighting in the evening. Embrace comfort first layout. Beauty should never reduce comfort. Add seating for relaxation, not symmetry. Thanks for watching the video.